Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 8, leçon R. In this short lesson, we'll see together few sentences in which you will have two pronouns, and it will be interesting because they will be at the negative imperative form, and so you can see that it's a bit tricky. So 5 sentences to see how it works. Okay, so let's start. Don't show it to me. Ne me la montre pas. Ne me la montre pas. Ne me la montre pas. Don't show it to him. Ne la lui montre pas. Ne la lui montre pas. Ne la lui montre pas. Don't show it to us. Ne nous la montre pas. Ne nous la montre pas. Ne nous la montre pas. Don't show it to them. Ne la leur montre pas. Ne la leur montre pas. Ne la leur montre pas. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me, and so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.